I'm going to show you step by step how you can create kids runway videos like this one. So let's dive in.
Welcome to rock a world where vision comes alive. With design and coordination, we help you thrive. Beautiful events, crafted with care. Join us on the journey, we'll take you there. Subscribe today, don't miss a beat. Book a world events, watch your dreams grow.
By the way, guys, we offer event planning and design services, so you can check out our website www.rockaworld.com for more information. So first we need our fashion runway ideas so that we can generate images that align with the theme. So this is what we are going to be doing. We are going to use the help of ChatGPT. And once you're on ChatGPT, here is a prompt that you're going to give ChatGPT. Okay, so it says, I want to generate viral baby fashion runway images. Generate for me 5 image creative prompts that I can use. So if you have something in mind and you know what you want the kids to be wearing, or you have a theme for the fashion runway, you can also include it in the prompt. So after that, you're just going to click on the generate button, and that way ChatGPT is going to give us different ideas that we can use, like you can see. So you can go through all of them carefully, and if you're not happy with the results, you can always regenerate. You can also improve the prompt or add the details that you want in your prompts. Okay, so now that we have our prompts ready, let's go ahead and generate images for our fashion runway models. As much as the first prompts that ChatGPT gave to me are fantastic, I thought I should do something different from what you saw in the beginning. So I came over and I told ChatGPT to generate the prompts inspired by fruits and vegetables. And these are the results that ChatGPT has given me. So I'm just going to highlight and copy this. Then I'm going to show you how we are going to use it in our image generator. Okay, copy, and then let's go over to Microsoft Bing. This is the image creator that we are going to be using. Like you can see, I have already generated several images with this tool. Like you can see, most of the images that I used in the clip you saw in the beginning, I used this image generator, and I'm also going to show you another one which is not Leonardo that gives amazing results. So after signing in, you're basically just going to come over here, and then you're going to input our prompt that we got from ChatGPT. So you're just going to paste it over here. So if you're focusing on, maybe sharing your images or videos, the videos that we are going to create on Instagram, this aspect ratio is completely okay. You don't have to change anything. If you're looking for something for Instagram, or let's say Facebook, let's say TikTok, this is okay. But if you want to post on YouTube, I'm going to show you what you can do different after you finish generating the images. So now all you have to do is to click on the create button, and this AI tool is going to generate for you different images, like you can see. So we can click on them and review them properly to see if we really want to work with these. So this looks really good. You can go ahead and go through the different ones. Like you can see, that's perfect. So they all look good. So once you like the image, you can just click on download. But now let's say you want it for YouTube video purpose. Okay, so you're just going to click on resize, and then you'll click on landscape over here. Okay, so that way it's going to change the aspect ratio, like you can see. So the image might have some differences, but still it's going to be for a wider screen, like you are going to see. So this is how it has come out. So if you like it, you're just going to click on download, and that way it's going to download on your device. Okay, so now I'm just going to take the same steps for the rest of the images, and then I'll choose which ones that I want to use at the end. So before we explore our next tool that generates fantastic images, let's first generate with Microsoft Bing one more time. So I'm back in ChatGPT. I'm just trying to highlight and copy the prompt just like we did the first time. So I'm back to Microsoft Bing. So I'm going to paste our prompt over here, just like we did for the first one. And the only difference I would like is for the baby at least to be African. Okay, so showcasing an African. I'm just trying to, edit the prompt here. So I'm just going to say an African baby. Okay, yeah. And like you can see, Microsoft Bing actually gives you an option of generating images 15 times per day. Okay, so what you're going to do is to click on create, just like that, and then we are going to give it time to generate the images just like we did in the first place. Okay, so let's run through these really fast and we see if we like them. Then we are going to download them. Change the aspect ratio because this is a YouTube video. Okay, like you can see. So these are fantastic. And yeah, we can easily use these. So I'm just going to resize the ones that I like. Okay, great. So the next tool we are going to be using is Dream Lab. But before we continue, I kindly request you to support the channel by liking this video and subscribing to the channel if you haven't already, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on content like this. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section down below and I'll be able to answer them as soon as I can. Okay, so let's go back to ChatGPT and get our next prompt. So I'm just going to highlight this. Okay, copy it, and then we are going to paste it over here in Canva's Dream Lab. So once again, if the images are for like Instagram, 1:1 aspect ratio is okay, but since I'm doing a YouTube channel, I'm going to go with 16:9 to have a wider screen. Okay, so I'm just going to click on create and see what this AI is going to generate for us. So these are the results, and I really think they've come out really well. So you're just going to download the ones you want. You just have to click over here. So I think I like this one, and I also like this. Okay, so I'm just going to take two of these, and then we are going to go ahead and turn these images into a video. Okay, so to turn our images into videos, we are going to be using an AI tool known as Hailuo AI, and this is a paid tool. Okay, you have to pay for it, but they give you a 3-day trial, so you can try it out and see if this is a tool that you want to invest in. Like you can see, it's what I've been using for all the images, for all the videos that I generated. Okay, and it's what we are going to be using as well right now. So once you're on this interface, you're going to choose image to video. Okay, and then you're going to click on this button over here to upload the image that you want to turn into a video. Let's click over here where it says upload image, and then we are just going to find our images from where we saved them. So let's start with the pineapple outfit. So you're just going to upload it over there, and what you're going to do is you're going to go back to ChatGPT and you're going to collect the first line. Okay, the first line of the prompt that ChatGPT generated for you on the outfit. Okay, so we are just highlighting everything up to here. So we are going to copy this, and then we are going to paste it over here, okay, just like this, okay. And then I want us to put the emphasis on the baby walking, so we have to include it, that featuring a baby walking and dressed, okay, walking and dressed in a pineapple inspired outfit, okay. So I think that's good. So now what you're going to do is you're going to click on generate over here where there is 30. So you're just going to click on generate, and then that way they're going to generate for us a video like we are going to see. So since we are using a free version, it might take a bit of time to process, but hey, the results are worthy the wait. So we are just going to wait until we get our final video. Okay. So this is our first video. Like you can see, the baby is walking, but like you can see, it's not giving runway vibes. Okay. So all I did is to go back to the prompt and I edited it. So I added that featuring a baby walking on the runway. So I generated again. So let's see what results we are going to get over here. So like you can see, it's still processing. So we are going to patiently wait for that and we see what we get this time around. Okay, it's ready right now and we are just playing it to see how it has come out. Okay. I think, okay, this one is better than the first one. And if you're not happy with the results, like you can see, you can always go back and edit the prompt and then you try to get better results. Okay. So in this case, we are going to be using this particular one, but I want us to go back and regenerate one more just to make sure that, everyone got the process right. So like we said, we have to first upload our image. So we are going to come over here and upload our image. We are just following the same exact steps that we took in the first place. So for the prompt, we are going to be using the same prompt over here. But for other designs, make sure you change the prompt accordingly. So we are just going to click over here to generate our video, and like you already know the drill, we are just going to give it some time to go through the process. So I think it came out really great, and to save you time, I decided to follow the same exact steps and generated the remaining videos like you can see for the rest of the costumes that we have for our runway fashion. So let's go ahead and download these videos. All you have to do is to click on the download button over here. So we are going to take them into an editor. We arrange them and then we also put some sound to them to make them more, popping and more nicer, I guess that's the word. So for this next step, you can use any of your favorite video editors. So I'm using Wondershare Filmora for this video. So all I'm going to do is to import the clips of the videos that we just generated with Leonardo AI. Okay, so I'll click on import, then find the videos from the folders where I saved them, and I'm going to upload them. Okay. So now you'll drag and drop them on the timeline just like that. So for the settings, we are going to go with this one, and you're just going to drag them to the beginning over here. So you'll get the second clip and you'll position it over here, and the third clip just like that. Okay, so you will align all the clips you have. Okay, so for the study purpose of this video, we only have 3 clips, but you can make more based on what you want. Okay. So now we are going to be adding some background music to our videos to give them a nice feel or touch, okay, whatever you want to call it. So when you come on the audio option, if you're using Filmora over here, you'll see that they have different music options that you can go through. You can also create AI music, but let's say you're using a different video editor that doesn't have these options. That's why we are going to use this different option over here. So we are going to be using Pixabay, okay, to get some royalty-free background music. So all you're going to do is to sign up, and then after that you'll come over here and you're going to search for background sounds, and they'll bring you different options over here, so you can click on them and listen to them. So if you find the one you want to use, you can just click on download, and then it will download on your device and you can use it completely free, and you won't have any issues with the music, copyright issues, and all of that. Okay, so I think we are going to go with the first one. So all you have to do is click on download, and it's going to download on your device. Okay, then you're going to go back into the video editor and you will choose the upload option. Okay, so in this case I'm going to go to my music and I'm going to click on import. So I'm going to find the file that we just downloaded. Under downloads, it's over here, it was stars. So now all you have to do is to drag this and you drop it down here, just like that. Okay, so we are just going to play and listen to this to see how the entire video has come out. Okay, so let's first cut this extra sound over here because we don't need it. So I'm just going to click on cut and then I'll delete this part over here so we have everything together. So we are going to go back over here and listen and watch everything to see how it has come out. Okay. So honestly, guys, I think this has come out really, really well, and I'm so proud of you guys. So now all you have to do is to click on the export button. That way your video is going to export onto your device. It's going to save over there, and that way you can easily share the video on the different social media platforms where you believe your audience is, that is going to watch these videos and give you the right number of views so that you can make money out of these videos. So guys, since you liked this video, I know you like this particular one, and I'm going to leave it in the description down below. You can also click on it right after the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't liked the video, I kindly request you to support the channel by liking this video, subscribing to the channel if you haven't already, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on content like this. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section down below and I'll be able to answer them as soon as I can. Thank you so much and see you in my next one. Bye.